Hi, do you want to establish internal quiet and emotional steadiness? Then stay here with me for 5 minutes and I'm going to take you through a seated centering guided exercise. Let's go to our mat. And we're just going to sit in the easy pose. Or if you want to lay down, you can do this. This is your practice. Or if you want to sit in a chair, this is your practice. So wherever you're at, I want you just to start focusing on your breathing. If you want to shut your eyes, you can. If not, you can just kind of easily steady your gaze at something in the background, or maybe something in my background. And this will help shift from the mental, emotional layer into the subtle awareness of your body. So we're really tying our mind and our subconscious mind together here. We're just going to be here, naturally breathing, centering ourselves for 5 minutes. And while you naturally breathe and center yourself, I'm just going to guide you through what that might look like in your mind. So I want to sit up straight, because I want the energies to flow from my chakras, from my head of my crown chakra down to my third eye center, to my throat, to my heart, to my solar plates, to my sacrum, to my root chakra. And I'm going to inhale, and then exhale the tension out to my body. Inhale all the energy, the negative energy, and exhale all the negative energy out. Then I want you to inhale from the universe, open your heart, and inhale all the positivity in the world. Just keep your mind focused. And then exhale. And then from here, I want you to inhale and exhale, but I just want you to do small neck circles. Small movements with our breath. Still tie our mind and subconscious mind together. And then I want you to switch sides. Your arms apply, and I just want you to turn your head to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. And then from here, I want to just sit and quiet. You can listen to the music, you can focus on anything in my background. Use your senses during this time and still focus on your inhale and exhale. Maybe when you inhale, you can feel the temperature of the breath coming into your nostrils. And then you exhale. Maybe you feel a little cooling in your body. Inhale, exhale. And when a thought comes into your mind, I want you to just recognize it's a thought and put it in that box. Put it in that box for later, not right now, not while you're in self-care. Just keep focusing on that breathing. Maybe there's a smell that you can smell. Focusing on that smell. Maybe try to figure it out. Maybe you like the smell, maybe you don't. And then open your eyes. What do you see in the background? I see a replication of my outdoor studio, which we would be in today, but it's cloudy and rainy, which is expected in the Pacific Northwest. So just look at the tree, the trunk, how old it's potentially was standing for, or would stand for, in the branches, or into the other picture with all the animals. Unless animals trigger you, then please focus on the tree. But on the right, you can see all the animals in the jungle. And to finish this out, I want you to thank yourself for the grace, the gratitude, and just for showing up today and taking these 5 minutes to sit with me and do a seated centering for our mind and our subconscious mind, establishing internal quiet and emotional steadiness. Namaste.